Your Honor, Mr. Williams is here for a pretrial. He has come to a resolution with Mr. Siller and Ms. Coons. He's going to plead at a count of operating while visibly impaired.
That's correct.
Okay. May I have him sworn?
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? State your name.
Martell Williams.
Sir, it is this court's understanding you're going to plead guilty to the charge of operating while visibly impaired. That is a misdemeanor. It is punishable by up to 93 days in jail, up to a $300 fine plus court cost. The court could order any rehabilitative services or community service the court deems necessary. Court could also order your vehicle immobilized. Court could also order you to pay the cost of the prosecution as well as the cost of any emergency governmental services. You understand all of that?
Understand.
Understanding that, still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
May 25th, 2023, at the location of Michigan Avenue, Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Prior to operating that motor vehicle, did you consume intoxicating liquor?
Yes.
What'd you have and how much?
I had like a beer and a half the night before and like a 12-ounce when I woke up.
Okay. Were you stopped by the police or was there an accident?
No, I was just pulling over because of the construction that they had. So when I was sitting there, the police just came up and was asking me what was going on.
Okay. You're not disputing the right of the police to stop you in this instance. Okay. Were you ultimately arrested?
Yes.
Were you taken to the hospital?
Hospital, yes.
Okay. Was there a blood draw? What were the results of that blood draw?
I never seen the results, but after that, I came here.
Okay. If I told you it were 0.186, counsel, would you stipulate to that?
We would, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have any reason to dispute those blood test results?
No.
All right. Taking everything into consideration on that date and at that time, do you believe that your ability to operate that motor vehicle was visibly impaired due to your consumption of alcohol?
I don't think it was, but.
Well.
You don't want to plead guilty?
Oh, yeah, I do want to plead guilty, but I wasn't like drunk or nothing. But, you know.
You're a 0.186. So you think that
I don't know.
you could, hold on a second. You are a 0.186. And so if you were operating that motor vehicle, you don't think others would have noticed that you were impaired?
Well, probably, yes.
Okay, so I'll ask the question.
Coming from the police, yes, yes.
Yeah, okay, so let me ask the question again. Taking everything into consideration on that date and at that time, do you believe that your ability to operate that motor vehicle was visibly impaired due to your consumption of alcohol?
Yes.
All right. Counsel, have I complied with the court rule and would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Defendant is referred to Von Swartz for an alcohol screening and assessment and the victim's impact panel.
I'm supposed to do that tomorrow at 1:00 over the phone.
Where?
On the phone at 1:00.
What?
The assessment.
Okay.
With care?
It's through Washtenaw County, I know that.
Okay. Do you have another pending case?
No, my probation officer,
So,
well, Mr. Coons knows this already. But.
So somebody's giving him another assessment. So
okay.
Sentencing in this matter, April 10th, 2024, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates.
Before you give away the file, Your Honor, there's a bench warrant in the file for a bond violation.
There is.
For another violation, Mr. Williams and Ms. Coons did speak of it, about it. They would like to set it for a hearing. He does deny the allegation of consuming alcohol at this time.
The two. He wants all of that set. He wants it set for a hearing?
Yeah.
I'm going to move to dismiss it.
The bond violation?
He said it.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what. Does he really want to do that?
I don't want to get into it necessarily, but I mean, the level was very low. He thinks that there was another reason of
Oh, boy.
why it detected alcohol. It was a
Much like not being visibly impaired.
hair product, yes.
Cause when I got
Oh, really?
when I got released from jail on the 7th of last month, I got my hair.
Okay, what kind of hair product?
When I read the bottle afterwards,
Yeah, I know. What kind of hair product?
conditioner.
Conditioner? So that had alcohol in it. A lot of alcohol.
Whatever.
Hold on. It had a lot of alcohol in it. Is that what you're telling me?
That's all it could be because they told me to
Really?
change
Okay.
my,
So
product.
I don't know how to say this. I kind of know about your hair. Just saying. And if you put too much alcohol on it, other things happen. Like you don't have hair because it will break off and fall out. So I'm looking at these numbers here, and yeah, they're low for the human body, high for hair.
Well, Your Honor,
No, I want to have a hearing.
if you would like to,
No, you've asked for one.
I do.
I'm just here. I am here to serve.
I did hear Mr. Stiller say he'd be willing to dismiss.
I know, but I'm not.
Okay. Then we will hold the hearing.
Yes, we'll have a hearing. Give me a date. I need a date before April 10th so that the findings of the hearing can be taken into account at sentencing.
Do you regular?
Let's do it on trial week. At the end of this month.
Okay.
What day?
We can do Wednesday, March 27th at 1 p.m.
Okay. So bond violation hearing on hair product. March 27th, 2024. What time?
1 p.m.
1 p.m. I can't wait.
Is that 27 or 24?
27.
All right, and
We're gonna bring some people from the shop, barber shop. They'll be able to tell you. I'm just saying. Okay, we'll see you then. What else? Is there something else?
I would ask that the warrant be recalled
Oh,
pending the hearing.
sure.
Thank you.
We'll recall the warrant.
I got other cases.
I'm good.
So just curiosity, after the conditioner, did you put something else on your hair?
It was. I mean, when I got out of jail,
Okay, no, never
I
mind.
got
Never
my
mind.
hair-
We'll figure it out at the hearing.
All
All right, talk to you. All right, bye-bye. What? I know. I didn't expect it. Clerk calls the case.